Alright guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit funds into your own trading account on Aboto.com. So the first thing we're going to do is go to our profile section, click the email right there on the top right. Now, we're going to click deposit funds right up there. Now, we select the amount we want to deposit. For example, if we want to start with 1,000, click proceed, then click continue funding, and it's going to take you to the payment portal page. Now over here, we can select the currency we want to deposit in. For example, Bitcoin, Ethereum, they have a whole bunch of options here. So let's just, for example, click USDC. Then we can select the network. So over here, we'd select Ethereum, click proceed to payment. Now it shows us the QR code that we can scan and send to. We can also just copy the wallet address that's right there. Once the funds have been transferred, they will just show up automatically in your account. Usually for me, it takes anywhere between a couple minutes to up to sometimes half hour, depends on the network that you use. But that's how to deposit funds into your own trading account on Aboto.com.